So today I'm going to be attempting to change my bicycle tire. First thing I did, I don't have a stand, so I just flipped it upside down, and I'm using the seat and the handlebars to hold it up.
So it's the smallest gear or the biggest gear?
The smallest.
Okay.
Oh, I put this on backwards. There we go.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
There we go.
Oh, that was pretty easy.
Just finger this off now. No comments from the peanut gallery.
Some people might be asking, why don't you have your boyfriend do it?
Because he said, forget you.
No.
You better do it yourself.
I said equal rights. You have the right to do the stuff. I can't just mansplain it. Or man do it.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Should go up. That's my understanding.
I think so too.
So I'm going to open this up carefully. This is me opening this up.
Well, the good thing is a recording, so if you fuck it up, we can retrace our steps.
I'm more concerned about fucking it up in a way that like cuts my hand.
Oh, nah, it's not gonna cut your hand. It'll just make it really greasy.
Okay, there we go. And then this should come right up and out once I get it out from under the chain.
Oh, you forgot to do the brakes. Don't you have to loosen the brakes?
The brakes should already be loosened on it.
Shouldn't they be open? Remember how you opened them?
Oh, yeah. How do you open them?
Alright.
Here. You're right. You are right.
Yeah.
Here.
Hold on a second. We're gonna
That would
reset.
explain it. On the other side. There we go. That ought to help a lot.
Yeah, so we gotta loosen the brakes before we do this.
Yep.
Get the tire out.
There we go. Tire is out.
So what she did is she moved that thing there. Show them.
This piece right here.
Where's your hand at? Yeah.
Right here. And it
Yeah.
opened up.
And we opened that up to get the brakes off of the tire.
Keep in mind, this is the first time I've ever changed the back tire on this bike, so.
Yeah.
There. And get the tire out from inside this metal bit. But I don't remember which side you're supposed to do that with.
It's the... You're kind of peeling it, so you use that hook. You put in there like a little hook.
What I'm trying to do is get in there, and it'd probably be easier if the tire were actually like flat, but that's probably what I should have done is emptied the tire.
Oh, it's not flat?
It's not completely flat.
Oh, it's got...
Give that a try. I hooked it up to the pump, and you could watch the pressure drop. Or I can get a screwdriver. We're just trying to get the air out. Pop this seal.
There you go.
There we go.
Now use that the other one. Remember I told you use that technique where you put the little hook in there
and that's when you can do the sliding. It still does not want to come out. Can you hand me that one that just...
Well, we call is really tall, but I don't think you call this thing like that.
Alright. So we got it. I ended up using one of these metal things and I hooked it up to a spoke. I'm recording it, so. And then I used the other one a few inches away to pop the bead out. So I put one in here, locked it in. Then I put that one just a few inches here, popped the bead out. And then just kept this one here in place and kept popping it out. So, yeah. Alright. So I'm going to continue the thing here. So I put the metal piece in here. Yeah, I know it's kind of dark in here. Put the metal piece in here, the first one. Locked it into the rim. It got dark and cold outside. And here's the other piece. So this piece here, I put it here. A few inches away from the other one. We'll call this number 1. This is number 1. I put this one here, number 2 here, and it popped the bead out. So now I'm just going around popping the bead out. The thing about her rim is that it's really tight, and that's what he said. You see that? Let me zoom in a little bit more so you can see that. Yeah, I wish the light was better too. But it is what it is. Okay. We'll pack this bitch. Oh no, the other side fell off. Okay. Wanna hit that high? Fuck. I don't wanna shoot that oop. Take this damn tube out. One of these days. There we go. Piece of shit. Yay. Well, are you sure this was the flat tire?
Huh?
I said, are you sure this was the flat tire?
Well, I put air in it, it was losing.
I know, but... Huh.
I hope it was black, then we just went through all the effort of pulling it off.
There's no air coming out of it. It still has a little bit of air in it. Well, anyways, so that thing's out. We're going to keep this. We can use that to fix future flats. Alright. Then, here's the new one. We're going to insert this into the tire. Or into the rim. Where the fuck is it? Into the hole. Where the fuck is it? Ah, there it was. So, what help if we took the... Oh. You put this in first, you put it in the hole first. That's what he said. And then you take this off of it, and then you put it back on, and it'll keep it on there. But you got like I think this is called a Schrader valve. It's different from the other valve you have.
Oh, shit.
So you want to put the balloon back in the tire, and then this part's gonna stick out. It has a little nut in there. I don't know if you can see that. It's got a little nut. So you take that out. Then you put this back on the ram, and it has a hole in it where the valve goes. You see? Right there. Doing this by hand here. It's getting tighter now. Okay. So what I'm trying to do is get that little hook in there to, well, this back part is what needs to get on there first. Yeah. You see? This back part. There we go. Fuck. Worst tire video ever. But I'm almost there. There we go. There we go. Oh, but I got that on fucking tape. Because it was ridiculous.
Okay. So now we're going to put it back in. And what we have to do is we have to lift this back up. And we have to put it on the smallest spoke. Because when we took it off, we made sure we put it on the smallest spoke. And we're going to... No, it's... gotta go... between the... Wait. This is supposed to be open. I think this rotates out. There we go. Yeah. Like that.
And then you push that. Yeah, there you go.
There we go.
Uh-huh. Well, see, now you see what I'm saying? The chain goes on the outside.
Yeah. Well, right now I'm trying to make sure the chain is in the lowest spoke, which is where it is now.
There we go.
And then it goes like that. There we go.
See? Yeah, see, it's on the outside.
See? You're trying to put
it.
the wheel under it. I'm like, no, babe, it's gotta go inside the chain.
You're trying to put the spaceship in front of the cart.
I'm just gonna finger tighten this for first.
Did you put the... Was there only one washer?
No, there's two washers.
Oh, okay.
So there's one washer on this. There's one washer on this.
Washer.
We gotta air up the tire. Well, we also have to close the brakes.
Sure. Just torque it.
Ah, there it goes.
That has to go in until it clicks so it won't fall out.
Yeah.
There you go. So what size is that on the tool?
This is a 16.
Alright.
But I think actually, appropriately speaking, we should have gone with the 15, but we didn't know where it was. But I mean, this does work.
So it strips it. So you gotta do 70 or 60?